number of issues faced by modern civilization has increased significantly. Our world today has been defined by unprecedented global challenges like geopolitical tensions, unlawful invasions, unjustified aggressiveness, and just recently started to recover from a global pandemic. We have become victims of climate change, human rights violation, and emergence of terrorism. Furthermore, we see people suffering from the agonizing weight of war and the attacks on civilian infrastructure. People are still enduring various discriminations, and thousands of people still have little